Hey everybody, this is Ben with WTI, and I can't wait to tell you about the Columbia Terminal Deflector men's long sleeve shirt. It's fantastic. Here's what I like about it. Check out the shiny style here. Now this is all made up of these little reflectors that actually deflect sunlight away from your body, which means you can keep it cooler. Even though the idea of wearing a long sleeve in summer in Texas sounds ridiculous because it's so crazy hot, this is so lightweight, you won't even mind. You'll also get that UV protection that you need, and it's super, super comfortable. So if you want a long sleeve shirt that's gonna be great in hot weather and keep you dry, moisture wicking, all that, the Columbia Terminal Deflector long sleeve shirt is all you're gonna need. And that's my point of view.